headed, Dad?
Asheville, North Carolina.
What for?
Family vacation.
We are headed to Asheville, North Carolina. We have booked a cabin in the mountains that looks like it has a really pretty view. Hopefully the pictures are not just pictures.
Great reviews.
Yeah, it does have really good reviews. So we're going to spend a couple nights there to just kind of relax and rest. Usually a lot of our vacations are go, go, go and adventurous, but Noah's definitely teaching us to slow down. Slow our pace because she operates on her own schedule and therefore we do. So we are gonna go to Biltmore to see it decorated at Christmas and do a couple other Christmassy activities. So we'll keep you posted, but we are on the way. So we are going to give you a cabin tour of our Mighty View cabin. Come on in. This is Noah's first room tour on Landon and Ken's.
Woohoo!
It's a monumental moment. I'm sure there will be many more. Maybe one day she'll be giving the room tour.
She probably will.
Okay, welcome in. Nice little rack for you to hang your coats, to put your shoes. And then you come in to the main space. It's beautiful.
Lots of little touches.
Yeah, lots of cute little touches. They even had a little old baby chair for Noah. The kitchen is fully operating kitchen, obviously. The fridge was stocked with condiments that we could eat. The pantry was stuffed with spices. We had some little treats that they gave us when we first got here. We were greeted by this cute little welcome. Mackenzie and Landon sign. They've got games and books for you. A TV that'll swivel out since the couch is over here. They also have this furnace that you can put wood in, have a cozy little fire inside. We did that a couple of nights. They hooked us up with a pack and play for Noah. This wasn't in here the whole time, but this is it when we're playing. So we brought it down. Over here is the bathroom that has a washer and dryer, which is obviously really convenient when you have a baby. Full shower. They stock you with anything you could need. So just cute little touches here and there. They also gave us robes, which we took full advantage of when it came to the hot tub. Which Lane's going to show you that in a little bit. So anyways, living room, kitchen.
Do you want to talk about the swing?
Oh yeah. We use this quite a bit to rock her to sleep. So it's a little tricky to get into. I almost busted it a few times. But it's a nice little add-on. Especially when you have a baby. It's a nice way to rock them. Alright. And then you open up this door. And this is the sleeping spaces. Oops. So this is the main sleeping space. This is a king size bed, and good grief, were these beds comfortable.
So comfortable.
Usually we can't wait to get back to our own bed after a vacation, but we both were like, man, this kind of blows our bed out of the water, and we have a very comfortable bed. So I don't know what this bed is, but we're gonna find out because it is so comfortable. So king size bed. There's a desk if you need to work remote. I worked remote one of the days, so that was convenient.
It's a good spot to work remote from.
Yep. We have a dresser, which is just, again, a nice little touch. We could unpack out of our suitcases and kind of make it feel a little bit more like home.
You can see the awesome view from the bedrooms.
Oh yeah, we haven't even talked about the view. You see the view the whole way through, so out in the living room too, you can see it.
I'll show you outside in a second.
Yeah. And then upstairs is the loft area, where there's another bed. Up here, there's a queen size bed. Noah slept up here with her crib, but it's nice. There's a little window here for stargazing, which we also did whenever Noah would not go to sleep. Me and Landon would take turns either rocking her or laying in this bed. So it sleeps 4 guests total is what it says on the website. But yeah, it's adorable. Big fan of the decor. It just felt very much like home away from home. It's cold outside, so Landon's gonna do the outdoor tour.
Here we go. Let's do it.
All right.
View is immaculate. It's the deck out here is beautiful. It's got all sorts of outdoor furniture. But you can hang out on the porch. It was chilly when we were here. Snowed twice overnight. Got a little barbecue grill out here if you are planning on eating at the house. But then if you walk through this gate over here, you walk over to the hot tub, which me and Ken's took full advantage of while Noah was napping. Don't worry, we had the baby monitor out here with us. And it's awesome. It's got a little Bluetooth spot for a speaker. You can play music out here, hang out, get super warm. It was so nice, especially in the cold. There's a little fire pit. Right by the fire pit in the hot tub is this little river. That is so peaceful. So we just sat by the hot tub, or sat in the hot tub and listened to the river and the sounds of nature. This place is beautiful. I would highly recommend Mighty View Cabin to anyone. 5-star review for sure. It's awesome. The trip up here is very, you're going straight up a mountain, but it's not difficult to get up here. But the view is really the win here. From every spot inside the house, there's windows where you can see this amazing view of the Smoky Mountains. Mighty View Cabin, over and out.
Over and out.
Can you wave, Noah?
Say wave. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Seriously, you've been doing it at everybody all trip. There we go.
There it is.
have any fireplaces?
You ready to walk through the Biltmore house?
So we're back at the Biltmore house today. We purchased the candlelight evening tickets, which gets you in at night. These people walking by. We went to view it at night last night, so we came back today. You can do it all day, like you can come earlier in the day, tour the grounds, and then go to tour the house. But with Noah, we just decided to split it up and do a little bit one day at a time. So now we're going to tour the grounds. Here we go. Conservatory at the Biltmore Estate. It's quite the journey to get down here, so get a stroller. Decide if it's worth it for you.
Don't bring a stroller.
We're done.
Not happy.
What's important to know if you have a child?
You can just drive past it, like right up next to it.
You still have to pay to
I
enter,
don't know.
but you should still go in it.
You definitely need to go in, but
Do you have any tips for people that have strollers?
probably just leave the stroller in the house, or take a really small one and know that you're gonna have to park it if you do the tour inside.
Definitely recommend baby wearing if you're able. She said, yeah, baby wear me. Can you say hey? Hey!